Okay, this is going to be a tutorial on a song called Radical Dreamers. And if you're watching this video, then you probably already know what that song is and everything like that, so. Okay, the most important part of this song is the chord shapes. Well, that's the way you can remember them. So the first chord you want to play, you put your finger on 3, preferably your middle finger, on 3, on 6th string, which is also called the E string because it's the note E. And if you have your finger on 3, then that is a G. And then you need to put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret. Should be that note right there. And that's on the G string. G string. And since that's 2 on the G string, that's an A. So you got G, 1 is G sharp, 2 is A. G sharp or A flat, they're same note. Okay, so then you got your fingers there, and you're going to be playing these strings not at the same time. But now this brings us to the second most important part, the finger picking. And some people call this inside out finger picking, but I call it, I don't know, it just makes sense, muscle memory after a while. So listen to it. Okay, you don't have to start that fast. The slower you play it, the better, because that gets your muscle memory in your finger picking hands and in the chord transitions. Because if you notice, you have to do those very quickly. This chord, this chord, this chord, this chord, back again. And now, so you got the shape of the first chord. That finger picking I was talking about is, if you look at the tab, you'll notice it goes, okay, you play 3 on the E string, that's a G, so you're playing a G, and then you play the open D string. You'll see that on the tab. If you should go look at the tab if you want to play this song. You can find it on my site at tabs.animebw.com. That is my tab site. It's a very good resource. Okay. It's just that pattern. And the only purpose of that G string right there, that note, is to keep a rhythm. Because they could play it like this. Notice something's missing. It's that drive. Drive. You know? Okay. So, look at that tab and notice the pattern. Like, if you were to say that this string is the low E string that my middle finger is on, I don't want to flick you off. You got the G, this string, and then the preceding string, which is 3rd string. You can pull it up. 3rd string. Okay. That's open. And then you got 2. And then you got open. Look on the tab. Goes 3, open 2, 3, open 2, open, open 2. So it goes. Just remember that. It's kind of like 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2. If you remember it by string names. For example, if the open D string, that first open here, and a tab it will look like. Okay, I didn't draw it very well, so you can't see it at all. Okay, look at the tab and just look for this pattern, okay? And that's enough time for now. I'll post the second video after I get some feedback or something. I just want to know what people, what they want to play. I want to help people play these songs. Okay.